Hi guys, welcome back, and today I want to show you how I painted this beautiful painting just using this paint. Let's get started. What I do first is I put some dark paint on the canvas for background and just mix them up aimlessly, really, because I am going to cover these paints with different other, like highlights and other paints, and of course the portrait. So today I am going to be painting a portrait. So yeah, so just go ahead and watch how I apply these paints. Like I said, I start with dark paints, and then I will start applying the lighter paints like white, red, warm paints. Cool paints go first, and then the warm paints, I apply them on top of the cool paint. That way you can have depth on the painting. So as you can see here, what I did was I put the blues and the blacks, I put them under, and then I use some of the warm paints like yellows and yellow ochres and reds. Those I put on top of the cool paint. Anyway, so now I'm just I sketched a little bit sketch of the portrait that I'm gonna paint, and now I'm just kind of streamlining some features like the eyes, the cheeks, and this is just the first layer of this portrait. So I'm gonna be adding more layers. Now just painting the eyes. Now I am painting the mouth, as you can see, and I like to use this process to paint my portraits. First I start with the background, then I kind of figure out where I want to put my portrait, the face that I'm going to paint, or the image that I'm going to paint. Then that area has to be a little bit lighter. It can't be too dark or too many colors, because then your portrait is not gonna show up. Now I'm doing a flower because most of my paintings, my abstract realism paintings, I like to put some kind of a flower all around or on top of the figure, or somewhere in the painting. So now I'm using one stroke flower painting technique to paint those flowers, and as you can see, this technique, it's flawless, and it's so easy to use and so quick. I mean, look how many flowers I painted within, and this is sped up in by I think 2, and it didn't take more than 1 minute or 2 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, to paint those flowers. I will link a video showing you how to paint one stroke painting right above. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of streamlining, just putting different flowers. Here I'm trying to paint a big butterfly. I ended up not liking it very much, so what I did was I used a small roller to kind of put some texture on the painting. So Now I'm using stencils, and I'm gonna spray white spray paint, and then just to make those marks, those beautiful marks. And since this stencil left a big, like, prominent line, what I will do is I am going to use in a little bit, but right now I am using Azo Gold by Golden. It is really good high flow paint. So what I did there, I just sprayed it to get those runny effect that I like so much on my paintings. So I just spray it down and then just let it run down, and kind of just fix it up a little bit. And now just kind of putting some flowers down and fixing up the eyelid and the iris and all that. And I decided to change the eye color. Instead of just being black, I decided to put some, like a little bit lighter paint on there. If you look straight in the eye, you see that there's like some reflection. That was just a dot of white paint that I put on there to show that. And now I'm just splattering some paint on the area where there was such a big like a prominent mark from the stencil, just so I can make it blend. And what I'm doing now is painting my butterfly. I love painting these butterflies. They're so enjoyable to paint. I'm just sketching it now, and as soon as I finish sketching it, I will go ahead and put the colors on there. And beautiful color. Stay tuned to see what color I'm going to put on there. Yep, there you go, orange. Leave a comment and tell me if you think this butterfly, the orange on the butterfly, is good, or should I have used a different color, or this is a color that matches or complements the whole painting. Anyway, so what I'm doing is just painting the butterfly, and as soon as I'm done here, I'll do just final touches, and we'll see what else is coming up. So keep watching to find out if I have something else that I'm gonna put on here or not. Again, guys, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your support, and I've gotten a lot of likes on my paintings that I've been painting lately. And I have gotten a lot of people just saying how much they like this technique and how much they want to see more. I'm glad you guys like it, because I definitely love painting this way. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment. And let me know how you like this painting. I had so much fun. Had so much fun painting it. And yeah, also make sure you check out my other videos. I've put them in different playlists. So check out the Abstract Realism playlist. And now I sign my painting, and voila, this is what I have here. beautiful, beautiful painting. It looks, the eyes, the expression of her face. It's abstract realism, so it's not gonna look perfect. Thanks for being here. God bless.